In China, you cannot wear a green hat, because that means your partner is cheating on you. So in Chinese culture, color is not just color. They have good or bad meaning. For example, red is a good color, which means successful or you are getting a lot of attention or support. When someone say you are red, 你红了 means you are famous. And color yellows means failure or erotic. If I say this thing is yellow, 这是黄了. This just didn't work out. And yellow video, which means adult movies. And for color black, it means illegal or dishonor. For example, black car means the illegal operate taxi. And white means you put efforts but got nothing in return. For example, did it for white, 白做了 means you did it for nothing. Your work is wasted, 白做了